Welcome. Today in front of me HTC Desire 22 Pro, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open Play Store application, and then here in the search bar let's enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds. After that, just tap here to open the app, click yes to agree, pick close, and on the left down corner tap to OK. Now we can see here that the temperature of our device battery is 24, 34 and 8 degrees. Also we can find here more information like the battery health, capacity, device voltage, model of our smartphone, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.